She did have some nice coins, don't get me wrong. I've found some nice coins in here. A little bit of coin possibilities here. Wow, there's just money falling out of every box around here. All right, getting some little bit of jewels. Some type of black onyx stuff there. Is that real? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, we are back in this unit. I'm excited. There's a lot of potential coming out of here. We paid $2,000 for it. One reason? Well, there was no one reason. Anyway, let's get to it. This is what we got here. What I've seen so far is there's a potential of a PS5. There's a beautiful weight bench. I've got lots of good stuff already piling up, saved for Alameda, and we are gonna start getting into here and seeing what we got. We've been finding some cool stuff though, like this weight bench. We've got a lot of art. I got a new clothes rack for my market this Sunday, Alameda. I've been saving some cool shirts. I'm gonna go out and do just a little something. I don't need to take a big load, but you know, I gotta sell. I gotta make money. I don't, that's a few things really get you going when you open a box up. One of which is coins. See it right here? Let's see how much time I have left. 10%. It could die on us, guys. Here it is. I don't want to get it dirty. It's just like aluminum tape. Weird. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Daddy needs a new roll of gold coins. Daddy needs a new roll of gold coins. Come on. I'm waiting my whole life to find a roll of gold coins. Holy crap, that is heavy. So there's a lot of just basic coins in this here. Let's see what we got here. This looks like a 19 something here. I can't find my knife. There we go. A 1982D. Those are 1982Ds. And then it looks just like a lot of coins, right? I did find a bunch like that the other day. And I found some antiquitable coins too. Oh, okay. I might be getting into something a little better because it looks slightly better. Right? That's what you want to see. First glance just looks like some regular coins. We got a 1988 there. But still, that's cool. Oh, wow. There's something in there, look. Oh, 1943S. That almost had me. 1945, 1953. Oh, this is not showing everything. 1976 in gold tone. So I guess mom dabbled in just saving coins and was like looking for that rare coin, and she saved them all in her beautiful little club jars. Pennies. Gotta be careful when you buy coin collections or go on hunches, because this is what's considered a coin collection. Pennies. Oh, those are kind of cool. 50-cent things. 10-cent things. She was literally just bagging up coins. Look at that, you know? Like there was nothing like... I don't see anything so far in here. She did have some nice coins. Don't get me wrong. I've found some nice coins in here. I'm kind of shocked they called that the coin box. That's why I got excited. So, but it's still hopeful because there's a lot of hope. A lot of hope. You guys want to see two? I can show you guys two cool things. Check out what I bought the little woman today. Check this out. I bought her these two little tokens. She likes Disney silver. I collect the basic silver. She collects these. So I got her these two silver coins at the flea market. What do you guys think? I got them for Jess. Put them back in my pocket. So I mean, I basically got a Coinstar video. That's the way I'm looking at it. We got like a little Coinstar video. I don't know if these are special. 1986 or 66, 67. That's 40%. 67, 67, 67, 67. A lot of 67s. She has a lot of 40%ers. See, where is the 70, the 90 percenters. There's one. A 1963. There's one. There's a 40 percenter. 40 percenter. All right. So it looks like we have some little bit of coin possibilities here. 76, 80. No, just regular ones. I'm not going to be discouraged by that. I'm not going to. That was somebody's coin collection. That was literally somebody's coin collection. That's their business there. I mean, they've been saving that their whole life. I call that like a coin jar, you know? You get all excited. You get all excited and hyped up. But that's a little bit of money. There's got to be well over $100 there. I can say that much. That is nice. That is real nice. And then you got some suns. Oh, great. Oh, here it is. I'm afraid I lost Jess's knife she got me. I'm going to be... Maybe I won't lose it because she got it for me. All right. That is personal photos. Huh. You guys want to get some shout outs? We'll put this on you. Let's get a little shout out. We'll get you we're gonna do a quick shout out to everybody. Who do I shout out? Look at that. We're filming everybody. This is all up my nose. Come on. We get a shout out in this video. Cool, bro. Stay safe. All right. Love you, Pirate Hugs. Come on. Look at that. Hi. Pam from Washington says hi. We're shouting everybody out. We're filming the shout out. Look at that. Thanks, Pirate. Look at all these beautiful people. Melanie, John, I love y'all. Brian, shout out. Wow, there's just money falling out of every box around here. I like that. What is that? Silver? I can't tell. I don't think this one is. What's this one though? This one's got looks like a possible gold clip on it. It might be a gold bracelet. I might have to have that looked at a little more. And we got more change. Like literally got more money. Getting some little bit of jewels. Possible pearls. I like pearls. Ooh. Look at that little elephant right there. That's pretty tight. Some type of black onyx stuff there. Sounds like a dollar store item to me. That's what it looks like. And we got another little box. This one seems to be a little bit more... I like the look of it. It's got this eagle's talon in it. Made of sterling silver. That's pretty tight. Okay. Alright. Oh, and I found this in there. I pulled that out a second ago. I didn't want to... I want to get everything out of the way. Beats by Dr. Dre. Those are kind of cool. I might take those home. They're a little dirty, but not too bad. I feel like Eviana would use these for watching her little shows and stuff when she uses the tablet, because it plugs in. The phones don't do the plugging in. So the rest of the kids I know will only use AirPods. Hi, I'm Mickey Mouse. And I've been eaten to shreds. They must have had a dog like ours. Calvin and Hobbes. Wait, what the hell is this? Yuck. Okay. Alright, so more just stuff in there. Fragile glass Disney. I'm excited to bring this home to her. Yeah. One of my favorite things is, like, my family's always in my mind. The little ones, which I'm hoping you guys will get to spend more time with in the videos soon. And my oldest ones, they're just don't want to be in the videos because they're just plain lazy nowadays. They turn into teenage monsters. And the little woman. So I spend a lot of time naturally thinking about them. And so whenever I can, I'm always like, just like, this will be for this, that will be for her, this will be for him, she's gonna love this. So Jess really likes Disney these days. Ever since we went to Disneyland, she has been like obsessed with Disney. So weird. It almost looked real. No, it doesn't. Is that real? I'm gonna go with a hard no on this one. I'm gonna go with a hard no. Alright. And oh, that's cute. Bella Casa Bagans. It's tight. Harley Davidson motorcycles. I'm gonna hold off on that because of the cat hair. Nice. That's a Cleveland TI 460. I wonder if the little woman would use any of these and she want to take up golf with me. Let's see what she says about that. I don't know. We had just got our golf course on our housing track or whatever just reopened because it's been closed. Armor. Those seem like a little bit cheaper, but these seem nice. Oh yeah, the Ping G25. Those are little babies right there. Little babies. And then what do we got here? Ping G20. Alright. Not bad. They're not the greatest clubs, but those are definitely going to be usable. Definitely sellable. An Odyssey. Check that out. Odyssey Dual Force 990. I kind of like that. The Super Stroke. Maybe take up golf again. We'll see. I'll have to think about this. And just like that, it hit me. I've officially done it all today. I went to the market. I did a live here unboxing. I filmed a video, and it's time to go home and work on my garage. I've been putting that off, and I got to get just other things done. So we're gonna take this Disney box home, and we're gonna see what the little woman's excited to see inside of there. But did I even say that right? We're gonna go take that home, and we're gonna see what Jess thinks about this Disney box. Pirates, we are back in my garage at Casa de Dijas, and we are about to go through this box of Disney. Little woman should join us here in a minute. I think she saw it, and I think she knows what I'm doing. Anyway, let's get to it. Let's see what's inside of Disney Grass Fragile. All right, let's get this crack-a-lackin'. Ooh, come on. Okay, so far, that is not Disney. Where's the Disney? That is not Disney. It's made in Japan. Luckily, I didn't invite her out here yet, so I'm not going to get yelled at if I don't have any Disney here. Two of these. They look like sushi plates. This is total clickbait. Total clickbait. That's kind of cool. Smells like pee. I can't allow that to be kept. I don't know what to do about that. Fifth Avenue coasters. Another cup. All right. We got, oh no, the big 40. Oh, shot glass. We got the big Tiki Hiki shot glass. We got the Nugget. Some big shot glasses there, but they're all virtually the same size actually. So, one Disney piece, is that what really? Is that really the clickbait I got here? Okay, this could be Disney Fantasia Teardrop. It's just... the smell is horrendous. That's the bottom. Nope, that's the bottom. Wow, that is pretty tight. I'm thinking she's gonna want that. 125 bucks originally. It's got all sorts of figures on it. Needs to be cleaned up. I think this can go in our house though. I'm gonna see what she says. I bet this bad boy would look a lot better shined up though. There's some cool figures here. I like it. Imagine it cleaned up. This piece right here, it needs to be clean and the box ain't worth keeping.
Yes, we definitely want that.
All right, I'm gonna throw the box away because these people
stinks.
Yeah, these people's stuff.
Smell like cat pee.
So. Oh, right. Well, that was a little disappointing in some respect, and then others it was a landslide because she's happy. She got these two pieces. She's actually going to keep that, surprisingly. Actually, no, she said no on that one. She's going to keep this one, definitely, and clean it. I'll let you guys get an update one of these days when we get it all out with our other stuff. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget the like button, the share button, subscribe, and naturally, say something pretty.